Hey guys, the purpose of this video is to show you how to use data validation and go to section based on your responses in Google Forms. This is a Google form I've put together for a breakout session that I've been running in clubs. So for the 3-digit lock, I want them to put in 3 specific numbers. So if you choose short answer, then in your 3 drop-down dots right here, you can choose data validation. And basically, it requires them to put in a specific answer. So I'm going to choose number. I'm going to choose equals to. 756 is the answer that I want. And in this custom error text, I want to put something. Otherwise, Google Forms is going to say your answer needs to be equal to 756, which defeats my purpose. It looks very similar if you choose any of the other options under here. So that's data validation. I've created other sections for this. This section doesn't have any questions they have to answer. I'm just saying, congrats, you broke out, and then they can click next. This is another important part. I've asked them which of the following best describes how they feel. A lot of people right now are doing something called choose your own adventure style games. And what that means is when you choose a multiple choice type question, in the bottom right 3 drop downs, you can choose go to section based on answer. And that's important because it gives you this section here. So if they click that they are stressed after completing this game, I can choose where I want them to go from here. So I may need more feedback from them to see their thought process and things like that. Or if they choose that they are excited, whirling around in the revolving doors, then I can say, well, they pretty much got the point, so they can go ahead and submit the form. A lot of people are doing these in all subjects. I would strongly suggest you map out your adventure before you start building your path in Google Forms, and this is an example adapted from Sylvia Duckworth, and you can plan everything out. So for example, if you're using this for math, you have your math question here. If option 1 is correct, it can send them to a new problem. If option 2 is incorrect, it can send them to supplemental learning with a YouTube video or some images, or it can just say, no, I'm sorry, try again, and send them back to number 1. So that's how you create data validation and go to section based on responses in Google Forms. Thanks so much.